everyone. So we have come with OM, Operation Management. This is also one of the paper in CMA Intermediate. Okay. So the first topic that we will be discussing for OM, Operations Management, is forecasting. So what is forecasting? Forecasting is predicting the future. Then how we can predict the future? In business, it is always required to predict the future expenses and future forecast, on the basis of which we plans our borrowings, we plans our investment. So it is very important for forecast what will be the sales for the year or what will be the demand. So that is the need of forecasting in a business. So how we can forecast sales? Do we have any idea? Yes, we can forecast it on the basis of past performances. The performances of the past years, the sales that the company has made or the industry has made during the past few years, that will help us understand the sales or the future forecasted numbers that is required. Okay. So in the forecasting, the formula that helps us to understand or find out the future numbers is represented as y is equals to a plus bx. Okay. This is the equation that we will be using to solve our forecasting problems. And y equals to a plus bx. What is y in this equation? Y is what we are trying to find out. That is the sales, for example. If we are trying to find out the sales for the next year, then y is the sales for that year. That is we are trying to find out. That is why y is in the left hand side. Is equals to a plus bx. A and B are the part of equation that we will be calculating it on the basis of the past data of the last 4 years. And x will represent the count of the year or the deviation of the year from the mean that we will be calculating separately. Okay. So once we do the sum, it will be more clear to you. The formula for calculating A will be sigma y by n, the total of y and n. Total of y again is sales of the past years, that is given in the question. So the sum of the sales of all the past years that is given in the question by n, that is the number of years given in the question, will give us A. Then B is sigma xy by sigma x square. X again, as I said you, it is the deviation from the year. So what a mean year? The deviation from the mean year. So the years given in the past data will have a mean year that we will be taking, and we will be calculating the deviations of each year from the mean year. That will be the x. So the sum of those x or the sum of x into y, the deviation into the sales for that year, and the sum of all those will give you sigma xy. Similarly, the squares of deviations when summed up, if we divide both of them, we get the value of b. So when you are given a past data for say past 5 years, the past 5 years 2001, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the sales of the past 5 years, you will have the deviations for the past 5 years using those 5 years data. You will calculate it. That will give you x. The sales of past 5 years will give you y. You will be calculating total of y, that is sigma y. You will be calculating 5 years will be n, that is n will be 5. Then you will be multiplying x into y, the deviation into the sales will give you sigma xy. And the squares of the deviations when summed up for all the 5 years will give you sigma x square. Then you can find out the value of a and b. Once you have the value of a and b, then you can put the value of a and b in this equation. X will be the year, the forecasted year for which you want to find out the sales. So you will use that x value, the sales, deviations of the sales, and that will give you the sales. Putting these a and b value in this equation will help you find out the value of sales for the forecasted year. So hope you understood this. Then we can move to the example. Please copy this formula down. Okay, so let's write down the example. Let the years be 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. Yeah, we have taken 7 years, okay, for example. And the sales for all these past 5 years are sales in thousands units. Okay, this will be 80, 90, 92, 93, 94, 99 and 92. 80, 90, 92, 83, 94, 99, 92. These are the sales for the last 5 years. That is the question given to us. So the question is asking you, find the forecasted sales for 2022. Okay, how you will do this? Using forecasting. So let's solve it. You can write year. Okay, then we will be calculating deviation from mean. What do you mean by mean? Mean will be the middlemost years. So in this 7 years, the middle year is 2018. So 2018 will be mean. Let's write it as year minus year's deviation. This is not the y that you have in the question, the formula, sorry. This is a small y for deviation, okay? Then you will have sales, that is given in the question. This is y, actual y. Then you will have, this is x, okay? You will have x square and you will have xy. That is all required. So let's write down 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. Years, sales 80, 90, 92, 83, 94, 99 and 92. This is 9, okay? So the middlemost or the mean of this year is 2018. This is the mean. If you have even numbers of years, you can just do the fraction one. Like if you have, if you had only 6 years, so it will be like 0.5. That will come the middle year, and then you can consider 6 months as 1 unit. So whatever deviations you will get here, if you find the deviation, see 2018 will be 0. 2017 minus 2018 will give you minus 1. 2016 minus 2018 will give you 2. 2015 minus 2018 will give you minus 3. Similarly, reverse 19 minus 18, 1, 2, 3. So you got it in the clear sequence since it was all from the odd numbers. But if the number of years are in even, then the first term that you will be getting, it will be like 0.5. Then next will be minus 1.5. So you can consider 6 months as 1 unit. So the pattern that will come is 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 5, 1, 1 skipping. The numbers in the deviation will skip one of the terms. That is for the even. But if you get the odd number of years, this is very easy. You will get the deviation 17 minus 18, 16 minus 18. You always have to subtract the number of year that is in the sequence by mean. 17 minus 18, 16 minus 18, 15 minus 18. You are subtracting from the mean. So you got the value of x. N. Here we have n is equals to 7. That is 7 number of years. Sigma x is equals to 0. You will have sigma y. You can sum this up. Now we'll calculate the x square. 3 square will be 9, 2 square will be 4, 1 square 1, 0 square 0. Again 1, 4, 9. Again you can sum this up. That is sigma x square is equals to 28. xy 80 into minus 3. 240. Minus 2 into 90. Minus 180. 92 into minus 1. Minus 92. 83 into 0. 0. 94 into 1. 94. 99 into 2. 198. 3 into 96. 3 into 92. 276. You can write it down for you. It's like minus 3 into 80, minus 2 into 90, minus 1 into 92, 0 into 83, 1 into 94, 2 into 99 and 3 into 92. You can sum this up again. You will get sigma xy here, sigma y. Just add it down. Please note this table. Okay. So now we have the value of all the values. We can put this in formula and we will find our equation. So let's do the calculation here. Next, sigma y by n. We have sigma y 630 by n. N is 7. And here sigma xy. Sigma xy is 56 by sigma x square. That is 28. So you will be solving this. 90 is the value of A and 2 is the value of B. We have A and B. We will putting the value of A and B in this equation. So y is equals to A. A is 90 plus 2x. This is our equation for forecasting. Using this equation, you can find out the sales for any year for the forecasting. Like 2022. 2022, we will be calculating x. X is the deviation from the mean. So the deviation 2018 was mean and 2022 is what we want to find out. So 2022 minus 2018. What will be that number? 4. So x will be 4. See, I am writing it here 90 plus 2. X is not the year. It will be the deviation from the mean. So that is 2022. Year 2022 minus year 2018. That is the mean year. So this will give you 4. I'm continuing it here. Okay. So 90 plus 2 into 4. That is 98. That is the sales for 2022. Now if you want to calculate the sales for 2023, you will be just writing it as 3 here. Let me do it with the another color so that you don't confuse. See, if you are asked to find out the sales for 2023, just write 2023 instead of 22. 2023 minus 2018, that will be 5 years. So here it will be 2 into 5. 5 2s are 10, 100. So the 100 will be the sales of 2023, the forecasted sales. That is not the actual sales, that is the forecasted sales. Similarly, you can calculate it for any year. You just have to subtract it from the mean to get the value of x, and then you have to use this equation and you will get the value. So it's very easy, right? You can solve any equation like this. Please let me know if you like this video and you want us to come with more topics for the operations management. Please let us know if you have any question through our Telegram channel. The description is in the link below. You can also comment us and let us know. Thank you.